Most tailors think that their client notice the fabrics or the design first when they come to take their outfits. But that is not true. Your client notices something else first, even before they speak. Let me explain. I've worked in this fashion industry for years and I've worked with several clients. So I noticed something very interesting. Customers don't react the way you expect them to react when they see an outfit. The very first thing that your customer will notice when they come to test or take their outfit is how the outfit fits them properly. They notice the shoulder alignment, the sleeve length, the shirt measurement, and how comfortable the outfit looks on their body. You have to pay attention to details while sewing for your customers. The second thing that customers notice is cleanliness. Things like loose thread, wrinkled neckline, wrinkled outfits, outfit that is not properly ironed, uneven stitches. Many people may not speak about it, but they notice these things immediately they test or take their outfit. The third thing that customers notice when they come to take their outfit is the presentation. That is the way you present the outfit to them. They look if outfit is properly folded, well ironed, placed in a bag, and presented with care, because they associate presentation with quality. So you want to improve in the way you present your outfit to your customers. One thing I've learned after years of sewing is this: customers may not understand the tailoring language, but they understand appearance instantly. So you want your outfit to appear professionally to your customers, because they don't need explanation when they wear your outfit. That is why I told myself, before my customer will speak, my outfit would have already spoken for me. If you are a tailor or a fashion creator watching this video, don't only ask yourself, how does this outfit look to me? But ask yourself, what will my client notice in the first 5 seconds of seeing their outfit? This is where your reputation is built as a fashion designer.